Now you see x plus 2, x plus 3. So just we have seen formula x plus a. Put the formula here, x plus a, x plus b is equal to. By the formula we are going to solve this problem. So what will you get here? X square, x square plus, by formula, a plus b into x, and plus, what is that? A into b. This is your formula. X square plus a plus b into bracket x plus ab. Now here your a and b means this value. This is your a and this is your b. Getting it? This first bracket is x plus 2 means this is your a, and here x plus 3 means this is your b. So now put the values in the formula only as it is. So where we can write x plus 2 so write as it is x square plus a. What is your a? 2. And what is your b? 3. 2 plus 3 into x as it is plus ab. Ab means your 2, and here between multiplication sign 2 into 3. Okay, so what will you get? X square 2 plus 3 5, and this x as it is plus 2 3s are 6. So we'll get like this answer. Okay, so a plus 2, a minus 1. Same formula. Which is that formula? X plus a in second bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into bracket x plus here what will be there? A into b. This is the for addition. Okay. So now here we can go by the one sign is here negative sign. So here sign will be changed. It will be there minus 1. Okay. So now here you can, if you are unable to solve by our this formula, you can solve like this. One by one you can take a plus 2 second bracket a minus 1. So here we can write like this. First take a into second bracket a minus 1 plus 2 second bracket a minus 1. Okay, then write it's single. We can take particular multiplication here, a into a. Now here we sign minus a into 1. This is your bracket 1 multiplication completed. Then second plus 2 in second bracket 2 into a, and then this minus sign as it is 2 into 1. So what will get here? In first bracket a into a, what will get? A square.
A square.
Minus a. Here 1a. You can write, those are not getting it. Write minus 1a. Now here plus 2a.
2a.
And this minus 2 into 1.
2 on the 2.
2. Now you see, this is a minus 1a, this is a plus 2a. So we can write a square. Now what will get? Minus plus minus. So 2 minus 1 will get 1. But here 2 having the positive sign, it's a bigger number, so we can write here a. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. So instead of 1, we are writing that letter and minus 2. Did you got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very simple, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Simple.
So those students want to take screenshot, they can take. Have you taken?
Yes, sir. Taken.
I recorded all.
Very good. So I am recording meeting. Afterwards, I am going to send you. Don't worry about it. Okay. M multiply m plus 6, because some students are getting difficulty by formula, they can use this method. Okay, then minus 4 into m plus 6, getting it? Then same m into m plus m into 6. This is the first bracket. You can write like this in bracket. Then in second bracket here you can write 4 into m plus 4 into 6. Now see what I have done here. That minus sign I given outside only. And this 4 multiplied by m and this 4 into 6. What do I get here now? M into m square plus 6 into m 6m. Okay, due to this negative sign, what will happen? 4 into m plus 4m, but negative sign means here it will become minus 4m. Then 4 into 6, 24, but here outside we sign negative. So what will get here? Minus 24. Now, one thing always keep in mind, while we have to subtract, that time it should be the number or it should be the same variable. Like is here, suppose m same variable. Some students what they will do? They will do minus 24, minus 4 and then plus 6. It will be wrong. So directly you have to write m square. So 6 minus 4, what you will get? 6 minus 4, 2m.
2.
And this minus 24 as it is. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.